Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about the topic of part 2, lines and angles. Today we are going to see linear pair, adjacent angles, vertically opposite angles. So first we are going to see the linear pair. See this figure. This is straight line. This one angle. Here to here angle 1 and here to here another one angle. So linear pair mean double or 12. So linear pair is pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. See this one, this and this, two are opposite rays, and this one opposite rays. So linear pair is pair of adjacent angles. Pair of adjacent angles. It means nearby angles. So nearby angle of 1 is 2 to 1. So nearby angles. So sum of these two angles is angle 1 and angle 2, that is equal to 180 degree, because this is 0 degree and this one here to here 180 degree. So angle here to here and then here to here, the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. The angles in a linear pair are supplementary. 180 degree is a supplementary angle. For example, it is linear pair. See here, AOB 40 degree and BOC 140 degree. See here, first BOC 140 degree, next AOC 40 degree, 140 plus 40, 180 degree. Is it linear pair? Yes, it is linear pair because the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Next one, what is adjacent angles? What is this? This is the, assume that this is a book. So this is the vertex. This is the vertex. At both the vertices, this one here to here angle A and here to here angle B. We find a pair of adjacent angles are placed next to each other. Next to each other. Nearby angles. So these angles are such that they have common vertex. This is the common vertex. They have common vertex and common arm. Common arm. But no common interior points. Here, see here. No common interior points. So adjacent angles have common vertex, common arm, but no interior points. Next one, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. This one ray, another ray. Thus, it is considered as lines. And this one, another one lines. These two lines intersect at OR here. Here to here angle 1, here to here angle 2, here to here angle 3, here to here angle 4. What is vertically opposite angles? That is, the opposite angle of 1 is, it is a vertically opposite. So angle 1 and 3. Angle 1 and 3 are vertically opposite angles. Thus two angles are equal. Next one, angle 2, its opposite, angle 4. Angle 4, its opposite, angle 2. So angle 2 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angles. These two angles are equal. So we conclude that when two lines intersect, the vertically opposite angles so formed are equal. See this figure. AB one line, CD another one line, next OE another one line. First write 5 pair of adjacent angles. 5 pair of adjacent angles. So AOE, its nearby angles EOC. EOC. So AOE and EOC, these two angles are one pair of adjacent angle. Here as 5 pair, so only one find out, remaining 4. Next one EOC, this angle and these two angles. First we take this one and this one. Next these two angles are adjacent angles. And next one AOC, here not a line, assume that AOC is the one angle, this fully one angle. So AOC and COB, see here AOC and COB. Once I will repeat it. First we take this one, here to here, these two are linear pair or adjacent pair. Next we take these two are adjacent angle. Next AOC and COB or BOC, adjacent angles. Next one COB and BOD. COB, these two angles, we simply first we take these two angle, next we take these two angle, next we take these two angle, next we take these two angles. That's all. So AOE, EOC, one pair. EOC and COB, one pair. BOD and DOA or AOD, one pair. Next one, 3 linear pairs. 3 linear pairs. See here, linear pair means the sum of two angles is 180 degree. First we take AOE. So AOE and EOB. EOB. These two angles are linear pair. Next another one AOC. See here AOC. Here to fully, here to here 180. So AOC and COB. Next, 2 pairs of vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. See here COB, it's vertical opposite angles. These two angles COB and AOD. Next one AOC. AOC, its angles DOB or BOD. It's a vertically opposite angles. Next, find the value of X, Y and Z. So first we divide two parts, this one upper and down, because here to here, here to here 180 degree. So we want to find value of X. Here already two values given. The sum of these two angles and these 1, 2, 3. The sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degree, because here to here 180 degree. So 40 is AOB. So AOB plus what is X? The angle BOC plus COD, here to here 180 degree. Next AOB 40 degree and BOC X plus COB 25 degree is equal to 180. 40 plus 25, 65. So X plus 65 equal to 180 degree. So plus 65, move to another side. Now convert minus 65 degree. So 180 minus 65, 150. So it is the value of X. Next to find Y and Z. Next we take AOB. These two angles are vertically opposite angle. So vertically opposite angles are equal. See here, AOB 40 degree, it means it's opposite angle. What is the value? Z. So DOE, these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So its vertically opposite angles are equal. So this one 40 degree, its opposite also what is Z, value of Z also 40 degree. So Z equal to 40 degree. Next to find value of Y, value of Y. So AOB, and see here we separate two parts, here to here. Assume that this is the one line. We start from here to reach here. So here to here 180 degree. So here to here 40 means what is the value of Y? So we add AOB and AOE. The sum of these two angles 40 plus Y, that is equal to 180 degree, because this is the linear pair. So AOB 40 plus Y equal to 180. 40 is moved to another side. 180 minus 40. So 180 minus 40 to get 140 degree. So Y equal to 140 degree. Hence the value of X, Y and Z. That's all for the day. Students, you will get this worksheet. I have given you some simple sums. So do it and send your answer to the class 7 Maths NAPS group between 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Thank you.